Hey, this is Steve with Bulldog Inspections, and this morning I'm performing a major items inspection on a vacant 54-year-old ranch in the Coach Light Square subdivision of Kansas City, Missouri. A major items inspection only checks the major areas, which is foundation, plumbing, roof, electrical, and HVAC. The most important of these is the plumbing, and the reason why is right here. If you have the water turned off when you do an inspection, you miss leaks, especially when the home is vacant. So this is an active leak at the master shower drain in one of the garages. And so if you're getting a home inspection, it's really, really important to make sure utilities are on, especially the water.